Hello, my name is Angelique, and you are watching R&R Mom Plans. In today's video, it's a plan with me in my kiddo section for the week of October 18th through the 24th. This is going to be Riker's birthday week on the 19th, so I'm hoping that I get to decorate it for his birthday. I have been using the Magic Plans Disney sticker book and the Color Block Disney sticker book, and I will be adding the colorful boxes sticker book I just got. Are there boxes in here? Okay. It says colorful boxes, and there are no boxes in that sticker book. I'm just gonna verify the other because I bought two of them, and it says colorful boxes as well. Okay. I do have these two sticker books on the side. I did the days of the week using the journaling sticker book. And then I did the dates using the Minnie Planner Basic sticker book. I've already pre-dated the entire month, so these are a part of the planning layout, but they've already been done. So there's that. All right. I want to bring in one of my books that have birthday celebration in it. I'm just not really sure which one it was, and I guess I should have looked before recording just to see. How I wanted to do that. I'm looking at sticker books on the side of the camera, just so you know. Alright, so I know that I'm going to be using these three sticker books somewhere in this layout just because I'm trying to keep it within the Disney Mickey Minnie theme. I also we're using Goofy for Isaac. And then his decorations for his party is going to be level up gamer. So these are little decals that I do not want all over the place. So I'm going to try to use them within the layout because that was his birthday party theme. Or that is his birthday party theme. And let's just see what we end up with. I actually use this double-sided tape when it comes to decorating. So I don't know. Let's just kind of lay these out. He doesn't have an Xbox. He has PlayStation. So I don't know if I will be using these or I think I'm just going to be using the PlayStation. Game over. Oh, there's 6. Alright, so let's go ahead and throw some Mickeys in here. And let's see, so let me see where Goofy's at. I did buy 2 of these just because I knew there wasn't going to be a lot of Goofy. Like, obviously there's 1. And then there's 2. I bought the sticker book for 2 Goofies. Alright. So, I have Mickey and Minnie here. And I have Goofy. So regardless, I'm going to make this happen. Now on Sunday, there's not a lot that happens. So that's what we're going to go for. That's just really big. Like, he has a game on Saturday. Okay. So I'm not. Regardless. Back to my regardless. I will probably use that for a monthly layout. Alright. I don't know how I'm going to do this. These are really, well, they are really big. Alright. Let's go back to our traditional. Should I go for more of a green? The birthday party is going to be black, green, and I guess gold. So let's just get some of the stickers going. These are cardboard, so I don't know how they're really gonna lay out. Monday we have school, Tuesday we have school, Wednesday we have school, Thursday we have school. I don't want to get them over the holes because I don't know how my my hole punch is gonna like it or not. And I am just putting these any and everywhere just so I can use them for the layout. And then I will bring in the green for baby girl. Let's see. I'm really just trying to bring in the green. Let's see. Mickey. Today looks bright. Alright. There's a green one. I'll put this one for his birthday. Hello today. He doesn't really have anything going on Wednesday. Isaac, that is. Good times, good times. He does have practice on Thursday. We pick him up on Friday. He has a game on Saturday. We drop him off on Monday. I'm just kind of like, where does it need to go? What's going on, guys? What's going on? All right. So I'm actually going to cut Mickey off. And then I'm going to lift this up. Actually, that came up really well till the end. So I decided to talk about it. And then I want to put this in the center. Put it right underneath. Stick this back where it was. Alright, now I feel like it needs the black. If it ain't already too busy. Because I'm like, where do I put everything? So, I think we've already manhandled this one with not having Goofy in it anymore. Plan your dreams. Oh, go back this way. I just think that's cute. It's not really Goofy. Which one is this? I know I have two of these. And I have two of these. So, go back here to the back. I don't want to use this just in case I want to use them for something else. Honestly, I think that's going to be it. Like, if I just threw like a couple of dots, like drop him off, practice, practice, practice. We have a game. Let's see. We have school, 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 school. And then he'll go to Jamie's. If anything, I could just dot this for Raylan just to have it dotted. I don't have the gray one. I don't know what happened. To the gray dot pen. Like, so I can never find it. But I think this will work. I didn't really have to bring anything else into it. So, did I use this one? I used it for one sticker. So it's called Colorful Boxes. I'm going to look that up just to make sure. I used that one sticker for that. I used magic blocks, I think, for this one. And then I used colorful blocks. So I definitely used color blocks. So these are the 3 sticker books I used. These are the 2 that I always have in there anyways. And then this is the Level Up cutout decal from Party City for his birthday in a PlayStation kind of way. So I think it turned out really good. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I hope that this spread brings you inspiration to your planning style. And if you enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to stay in the loop when a video is uploaded. For notifications, just click the bell. I love hearing from you in your comments. And until next time.